My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you a simple yet powerful binary options trading strategy that can help you to make profitable trades in your upcoming days. And this is the exact strategy that have helped me to reach up to 91% win rate. So watch this video very carefully because it is extremely simple strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you make all of these currency pair favorite by making this star yellow in this way, and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, then just click on here and select the candlestick time frame as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Once you do this much, then if it is flag, make it clock and select S5 and increase it to S10. Okay, and that means your trading time frame is going to be of 10 seconds. And then you can decide the amount you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then you need to implement this indicator that is called super trend. So to implement this super trend indicator, you can just click on here and search for the super trend indicator and just click on it. You don't need to make any changes to its setting. It is fine. Once you do everything, now it's time for you to know about the exact place where you need to make trade. So firstly, let's say you are in this currency pair, okay, and other currency pair are lined up at here. Okay, so super trend indicator has a simple indication, like whenever it says lower, that means market is going low. Whenever it is showing higher, market is going in upward direction. But not any indicator works for the 100% of the time. But if an indicator stops to work, then it stops to work like a charm. Okay, so you can take trade in opposite direction. Okay, but also one important thing, whenever it is showing the lower, then only you make trade by clicking on higher. I will exactly explain you firstly, and then I'll show you by making some trades where I have achieved up to 91% win rate. So keep on watching this video very carefully. Okay, so firstly you are in this currency pair, now you move to this currency pair, now it is showing lower, now you immediately make trade by clicking on higher. Don't think much. Okay, similarly, once this trade is closed, go to another currency pair, it is higher, ignore it, don't make trade in this. Again go to another currency pair, it is also higher, ignore it. So go to another currency pair, it is lower, immediately make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, whenever you see this indication of lower, make trade by clicking on higher. But here are few things that you need to understand. Firstly, before trading in the real account, okay, at the time before you trade in the real account, firstly test it in your demo account, and if it is giving you higher number of win trades, then only use it immediately in your real account. Okay, this will help you to make profit instead of loss. And another important thing, in one set make 5 trades. That means, let's say today you just make 5 trade by following this exact strategy, and let's say if you make 4 profitable trades and 1 loss, then you are in profit. If you make 3 profitable trades and 2 is lost, then also still you are in profit. Okay, and if you made 2 profitable trades and 3 loss, then also you are in minor loss, not a huge loss. Okay, that's why you trade with this kind of mindset, like I will make 5 trades in one set. However, you can again make another 5 trade in another set, but you need to have that mindset. Okay, and I always suggest my YouTube subscribers to become creative. Okay, don't just rely on any indicator, any strategy only and keep on trading. Okay, it will only result into loss. Okay, be creative and find out the exact strategy theoretically. Okay, so that you can test it to find out if it can bring you more profitable trades or not. So for example, this is a strategy that I have created out of my mind. Okay, I have not created anywhere, I have not saw anywhere, I just made some few tests in the demo account, it seemed to be working. Okay, and then I used it in real account, it seems to be working, that's why I brought it to you. Now if you also have some this kind of strategy, then you can comment below and suggest me. I'll bring that strategy into life by making a video if it is a working strategy, so that we can help more people like you and me. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I have achieved up to 91% win rate. Okay, like I have win up to like 5 or 7 trades, and one trade was lost, I think 7 8 trade, I don't know, I'm not actually remembering, but it was over 5 trade. Okay, 5 trade, over 5 trade was win. So watch that video very carefully. I'll not speak now. Let's begin.